Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna talk about, I'm gonna unbox the Crucial P310 with Heatsink, and I'm gonna compare it to the P310 without, which I unboxed earlier. So yeah, first of all I will see what's in the box. When you open it, of course there's a SSD and there is a leaflet, which I think is standard for all Crucial products, where you can get more technical support if you need help or anything. The SSD itself is it's pretty simple. It's an SSD, of course, but this time with the heatsink. Why I wanted to compare is actually to see, because we have here the same version of the SSD, but then without the heatsink, to see how they compare with each other. I will also include some print screens on the end of the video with some benchmarks I did comparing the P310. As you can see on the top, you can see of course the difference, and the difference is primarily on the thickness. With the heatsink is compatible with the PS5. As you can see, there's a big size difference. The size itself is not that different because it's inside it's the same SSID. It's the same SSD, sorry, not SSID. Of course you can't open this, not like others. I have here a heatsink, for example, from Be Quiet, where you can see that the heatsink of the Crucial is similar, I would say. Maybe the Be Quiet one is a bit thicker, so it would provide more cooling probably. But this should be sufficient for this drive. It's a Gen 4 drive with a maximum sequential reads of 7,100 megabytes per second, and I believe if you put it in the PS5 has a maximum of 5,500. So that's the interface with the rest of the PS5. So I'll zoom in a bit so you can see. For the rest, there's a 5-year warranty on it. There's a 1-month subscription added to it for Adobe Creative Cloud if you want to use that, in both versions, by the way. They claim them in the regular SSD version. It's compatible with most PCs, laptops and whatever, also the PS5 of course, but with of course with the heatsink it's not compatible with laptops, so you can't put it in laptops unless you have a really thick one where you could have the height of it, but then it needs to be quite a substantial laptop where you can put this in. Maybe also worth mentioning, both versions are available in 500. No, with the heatsink is not in 500 gigs. That's 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, and 4 terabytes. It's always also obviously the 2280 format, so that means it's 22 millimeters wide and 80 millimeters long. The regular version of it without the heatsink is obtainable in 500 gig, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, 4 terabyte, and also in the short format in the 2230. So that's 22 wide, 30 long. So that's it. I will include the benchmarks, the print screens of the benchmarks after this. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you have comments or wanna tell us what we should do next. And see you all next video. Thank you very much.